Hello everyone, welcome back to Coffee Outdoors. Today is going to be something a little different. You can see here I got a box, so it's going to be an unboxing of trapping supplies. I placed this order Thursday morning with Hoosier Trapper Supply. I want to say I placed it online about 8 a.m. By 11:30 a.m. I had an email from them stating that it was shipped. So on Friday I received an email from UPS that I should receive my order by August 9th, which is today. Today's Monday, August 9th. But instead, I received this order on Saturday, the 7th. So, placed the order early on the 5th, received it by the 7th, or on the 7th. So, Hoosier Trapper Supply has some fast shipping, great service. So, this is just going to be some trapping supplies we're going to use this fall. So, let's get it opened up and show you what we ordered. You can see my helper here. She loves being in anything to do with the box. She loves to be around it. So first off, just like the trapper's bag, you see me ordered from there. Your packing slip. Of course, they also send a sticker for placing an order in a little card. It says thanks for ordering, and this was signed by Charlie. So that's 2 stickers we got from them. But first of all, one of the first things I ordered that we needed is 2 dozen of these split rings. Of course, once we put them on a trap, they don't get damaged or anything, and we leave them on there and use them every season. So, but I wanted more for the new traps we got. So, ordered some Duke dog proofs. I really like their dog proof traps, so we ordered some more dog proofs. Open them up, let's take a look at them. Got a dozen more Duke dog proof traps. So with these traps, there's nothing that we'll do. All we'll do is put them in our buckets, our baskets, whatever we're going to carry our equipment in, and put bait in them, wire them down, stake them down, whatever we do to anchor them, and set them. Now next year, once they get a little rust on them, and all the oils off of them, we'll spray paint them like we do our others. But straight out of the box, there's nothing I'll do except take this tag off. So these are pretty much ready to go when season gets here, except for taking that tag off. I got a dozen of these just so we can increase our Raccoon line. Set these here out of the way. And I ordered a dozen from Duke. Well, not from Duke, but a dozen Duke 1 3/4 offset. So that way we have some more of these to use. Get one out here. I know most of you know what a 1 3/4 looks like if you watched my videos a few back that I did the review of. Great traps for fox and coyote, and we are primarily going to run these this season. We will still have a couple number 2 square jaws out and his number 2 dog was out, but majority of our coyote line is going to be 1 3/4 offset, just because of the fox we caught last year in the areas we didn't expect to catch them in. So this year if we catch a fox, we'll be able to release it foot unharmed, hopefully. Like I said, I've never caught a fox in one of these that had damage to a foot. Released fine, no problem. So got a dozen more Duke 1 3/4 just for that reason, since fox are finally starting to thicken back up around here. Hopefully that's because people are hunting and trapping coyotes and just giving the fox a chance to repopulate. Now if we can just get the gray fox to repopulate like they were back when I started trapping, that'd be great. I haven't seen a gray fox since late 80s. So DNR is doing a study to see what happened to them, but there's still a few in Indiana, but I haven't seen one since, like I said, a while back. Now, one of the last things I ordered, you can see these are very, very greasy. You can see my hand. I wanted to get some more stakes. I like the Wolfpack Anchors. I wanted to get the 18-inch cable on them, but they were sold out. So I went with, I've never used these before, but the Wolfpack Anchors on number 2 machine chain. 18 inches long, should actually be more sturdy than the cable, so I like these Wolfpack Anchors. They are great anchors for your predator line, and I'm really excited about using these chain stakes. So that's all it is. I got 2 dozen of them, 1 dozen here, dozen here. Now these I will have to get the grease off of them, the oil off of them. So we'll just take them to the car wash. When I take the Duke 1 3/4 to the car wash and degrease them. Now as far as the Duke, the only thing I really have to do to this trap is the pan. I will loosen the pan so that way it will be free falling. We'll degrease it, and the only other thing besides dyeing them once they get a nice coat of rust on them is making sure the pan is level when we set it. Of course, we got the tool to either raise the pan to get it to where we need it or to lower it, so that way we got a nice level pan. But other than that, I don't do a lot of modifying. I use them as is pretty much, but degreasing is going to be the biggest thing, except for the dog proof. We will not do anything to those except take the tag off of them. But other than that, I just wanted to share that with you. More going to increase our Raccoon line this year. Strictly run primarily Duke 1 3/4 offset, and trying out the chain stake Wolffangs versus the cable just because they were sold out. So if you need any trapper supplies, make sure you check out Hoosier Trapper Supply. Great service, fast shipping. Like I said, I couldn't believe how quick I got it. And just great people to deal with. They are having their rendezvous this fall. I believe it's September 25th. So if you're up around the Greenwood area, make sure you stop by there. Other than that, give this video a like. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.